Did you know that the Cabrillo College Library has thousands of books online through our ebook collection? From the library homepage, click on Articles and Databases and find the EBSCOHost ebook collection under General All Subjects. Click the title to open it. While off campus, you will be prompted at some point to log in. Use your Canvas or My Cabrillo College ID and password. Once the ebook collection is open, you may search in a couple of different ways. You may browse by category by clicking the various options at the left, or you may type in keywords for a more specific search. For example, if we are writing a paper on hope, we might start with typing hope in the search bar at the top. Sometimes the database will suggest similar words or synonyms to include in your search. If these words look useful, go ahead and select them in addition to your initial keyword and click Search. To narrow our search, we can use the Refine Results options at the left. We always want to limit to full text, so we have full access to any results we see. We may also want to change the date range to something more recent. Another very useful limiting feature is the subject area. When we open the subject feature, we can narrow our search even more for the most relevant results. First, we will click directly on subject and then show more to see all of our options. For example, we may want to search for only hope and leadership. The number in parentheses is the number of books that relate to that word. By selecting these two terms and clicking Update, we narrowed our search from almost 2,000 results to 17 more relevant books. Once we find a book that is useful or interesting, we can click on the title to see more details. Once open, many books will have a description that will briefly summarize the book. Two features that are especially helpful are the table of contents and most relevant pages from this ebook. These options may help you determine if this book is useful for your purposes. At the left, you can click the PDF or EPUB full text to read it. You may also click on Full Download to download the book to your computer. Downloading the book may be helpful if you will need to refer back to it at a later time. You may also choose to email the link to yourself by clicking Email at the right. For additional questions about searching the ebook collection, please use Ask a Librarian for help at the library homepage.